get ready with me for Thanksgiving dinner. Look, I know how this looks, but trust me, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. I've had this hair my whole life. We're gonna fix it. So I like to section my hair off. I have like the top layer of my hair up in a bun, and then obviously I've got a bunch back there. I'm gonna be using my Tymo comb that I got from the TikTok shop, and I genuinely didn't think that this would work for my hair, just because again, I've literally had, my hair has been like this my whole life. But it actually works really, really well for my hair. So my hair is naturally like pretty curly. And then obviously like when I brush it when it's dry, it turns into that. But if I don't brush it, then it gets all knotted. So that's why I brush it. So I just went through it once, going through it one more time. Literally 2 passes. 2 passes of my hair. Okay, I just finished this side of my hair. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start on this side. There's that postpartum hair. So this is actually on sale right now. So I'll be sure to link this down below. I absolutely love this thing. It's incredible. I really like this tool too for like my little postpartum hairs that are coming back. I've been super open about that. I lost so much hair after having my daughter, so it's coming back. So I really like that because you don't like, it doesn't feel hot. So you can get those little baby hairs nice and easily. So, and in under 10 minutes, here is my hair. This is all of my hair. I have it all literally right here. It literally takes no time at all. So I think it's actually on sale right now, so I will link it in the TikTok shop. So let's do some makeup. This year, I am going to be bringing mac and cheese to Thanksgiving dinner, and I am so excited. It's actually a friend's recipe. It was her grandma's recipe. It's been in her family for a very long time, and I am super excited to try it. Like, I went to the store and I bought all the cheese, all the ingredients, so I am super excited to try it because I have a feeling it's gonna end up like being like a staple recipe for me. Also, I'm happy to report that I have not spilt my coffee today. So I'm probably going to have to start drinking it out of cups with lids. Because y'all know I spilt my coffee every single day this week. As y'all know, I have been decorated for Christmas. Our tree has been up for almost a month now. And while I do decorate early and I get into the Christmas spirit very early, I do love Thanksgiving. I love Thanksgiving food. Like, when someone asks what my favorite Thanksgiving dish is, it's like, I honestly can't answer, okay? The stuffing, the mashed potatoes, the cranberry sauce, gelled, of course, because y'all know that I don't do whole berry cranberry sauce, okay? And I also don't want it homemade either. I want it out of a can. I need to know, is cranberry sauce an American thing? Because I feel like if you didn't grow up eating it, it might just seem like you're eating, like, a bunch of jelly or, like, jam, which I guess that's essentially what it is. But it's not super sweet because cranberries are tart. You know what I mean? It's just the perfect blend. And also, now that I'm thinking about it, my parents also make these stuffed mushrooms. They make them every holiday, Thanksgiving, Easter, Christmas. They are so good. I know what's in them. Maybe I will share them with you guys because last pregnancy I was making them like every week because they're that good. I want to know, what is your favorite Thanksgiving dish? Like I said, I really can't pick one, but I gotta ask, what is your favorite dish? Because I love Thanksgiving food. I actually think that I'm gonna skip lipstick because with the amount of food that I'm gonna be eating, I would just have to keep reapplying lipstick. So I think we're gonna skip on that. I think this is the final look. I gotta run because I gotta go make my mac and cheese. Happy Thanksgiving, and once again, let me know what your favorite dish is. Bye.